Today, we will show you the beautiful places
Here in Castillejo, Zambales!
Hey everyone, today you are joining us an exciting trip to a beautiful destination here in Castillejo, Zambales, Putot Dam in Barangay Nagbunga. Are you ready to explore the wonder of nature? Putot Dam is located in Barangay Nagbunga, and it's a popular spot for nature lovers and adventure seekers. It's known for its peaceful and refreshing, perfect for those looking to relax and explore. We're finally here. Look at this breathtaking view. You can see the clear water, lush surrounding, and of course the magnificent dam that plays a vital role in irrigating the rice field here. And now, heading down to a beautiful spot where nature truly shines. There's a small hut where we can relax, and right beside it is a clear, clean, and cold river, perfect for refreshing swim. Are you excited? Let's go! Now we will go to Hangin Bridge with my friends. And now, we're taking you to a hidden gem in our town, Barangay Nagbayan. Here we'll discover a bridge that looks like a tourist destination, along with a crystal clear and pristine river, perfect for swimming. We are arrived at Barangay Nagbayan. We arrive at Barangay Nagbayan Bridge. The first things that greets us is this breathtaking bridge that looks straight out of a postcard. Its design and scenery are truly captivating. If you're looking for a place to relax and unwind, this is it. You can really feel that fresh air and the peaceful. Goodbye. Goodbye, Ilang. We just finished swimming in that crystal clear river and now we're starving, but we're not heading to a famous or crowded restaurant because here within just 10 pesos only you can have a filling meal. This is exactly that we're looking for. A humble eatery, not famous, no long lines, but definitely worth it. Look at this. For just 10 pesos only, you get a delicious and satisfying meal. Thank you for watching, everyone.